Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to talk about the graph. I'm going to give y'all the very quick video price prediction for this particular cryptocurrency. You guys can see that we did one going back September the 10th, 2024. The expectation at that moment was for the price in the graph to go up in price, and that's exactly what the market did. So pretty good call there. Congratulations to you if you was able to win off that particular move. Things has changed, so let's get back into position and see exactly what's going to go down in this cryptocurrency. Before I do, hit that like button, so then also subscribe here for more content. I'm here to give you a purview or a different vantage point as to how to view the cryptocurrency space. Check this out. Right here was when we produced this video for the graph, September the 10th, and on September 23rd, so what, 23 days or 13 days, we got that ultimate TP price, 23.43% there. So let's get rid of it. All right, next thing we're going to get rid of are these sell zones. These were potential areas that we were going to look for sellers to come in and try to impact the graph, and it didn't happen here, and it didn't happen here. So we can get rid of these two areas. But one thing we will create is this new sell zone up here in the graph now. Okay, so this is the newest sell zone here into the market for the graph. And zooming out the chart, you guys can see that we may want to start looking at this area here too, especially if the market and the graph is going to continue to maintain. Look at this trend line. Okay, so it's not a steep trend line, but overall this market here in the graph is definitely maintaining it. So that's the direction that we're going to look forward to the market and the graph to trade. We're looking forward to continue to hold to this trend line until it breaks the trend line, and we would run back to seeing the market just consolidate. Okay, now let's look at this on a 2-day chart real quick for the graph. You guys can see the last 2 days, well, last 4 days. This one right here specifically is giving me some reservations as to how strong this particular cryptocurrency is. You guys can see right there, we got that weakness bar printed. Good thing is that the next 2 days, the market didn't go down. In fact, it went back up and it closed higher than the prior 2 days. So that's a good thing to see, to at least let us know that the market is not extremely bearish. Here it is on the 3-day chart. Look at that 3-day bar there. Weakness. We have 8 hours and 2 minutes currently on the graph. On this current 3-day bar, we would like to see it close where it is now, because it tells us that the selling didn't have any impact on the movement down in the graph. Okay. Let's look at it on the 4. Here is the graph on the 4-day chart. Again, this is definitely weak. So we're seeing weakness on the 3, the 2, and also on the 4. Here it is on the 5. Again, you don't like to see the market make a fantastic move higher to only the next 5 days come back down. That's not a good thing neither. Here it is on the weekly chart. And here it is on the 2. So I will have to say, keeping it real, that I don't see this currency being bullish right now. We may in fact see this price break this trend line and end up trading within a range, like I told you earlier, trading range bound. So I think that's the notes that we're going to go with for the graph. Outside of us seeing the market hold this trend line, if that happens, then I'll have to lean more towards price and the graph going up. Okay. So let me go ahead and put on this price prediction here of looking for the market to go down. Now, our first target is going to be here on this trend line though. Anywhere on this trend line will have to be a target. So that will be reduced the further out in time it goes, that price in the graph doesn't hit that trend line. Then our second area would be at like 13 cents and around 13 cents to our buy zone. So we'll just do those first 2 targets there. So what I'm watching out for is for the price to either 1, touch this trend line and bounce from it and go higher, or 2, break this trend line and come down to this buy zone and continue to consolidate. One of those 2 things, what I'm looking out for. So that's it. I'm done. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.